We hiked at Santee State Park in South Carolina. They had some beautiful trails, beautiful views, and huge pine cones. We saw bear corn, and the 2 miles didn't seem very far, but in the South Carolina heat, it was getting very hot. So when we hit the 5 miles, we're thinking, oh my God, where is the car? How much further do we have? We took a lot of pictures, and there it was. We saw the car, the best view ever. My dogs were barking, so I had to take my boots off, but it was a great, great day.
Some will watch me, some will judge me, some will never understand. But I'd rather be authentic than be perfect for a